So you've decided to change your shower head? It's a great idea. You can get ones that massage and do all kinds of crazy things, or maybe you're just trying for a different look. Either way, it can happen pretty quickly. You're just going to need, for most cases, an adjustable wrench. You might need a set of channel locks or slip joint pliers and maybe a towel to wrap it around before you grab it with pliers to make sure you don't mar the finish. The one we're going to be doing today just requires an adjustable wrench and maybe some Teflon tape, and you'll be ready to go. Let's go up here and get it taken care of. Alrighty, I'm looking for the 2 flat spots, and I'm just going to twist it. Shouldn't take much before it's loose enough to do by hand. Now once I remove it, I'm going to check the threads. If they need to be cleaned, we'll get that squared away. Now the next thing I'm going to do is wrap some Teflon tape around it. Now I always wrap, clockwise while looking at it. If you wrap the other direction, it has a tendency to peel it off as you tighten the shower head. And it is apparently a crazy noisy live audience today, so it's an interactive lesson. No, go the other way. No, go the other way. Once I've got 2 or 3 wraps on that so I can be sure it'll seal well, I'm going to get the other shower head, make sure it doesn't have a plug in there from when it was shipped. This one has a rubber gasket on it, but you still want to put Teflon tape on the threads of the arm. And all I'm going to do is screw it on. Just about tight, really. You don't really need to over-tighten it. You pretty much just need to tighten it until it doesn't leak. This one has a plastic cover on. I'm going to get that out of the way. Get out of the way of the water path. Turn your shower on. Make sure you don't have any leaks at the back or bottom here. If you do have a slight leak, you could tighten it up a little more until that leak stops. Otherwise, you should be good to go. And that's all it takes to change your shower head.